sorry.
It's okay. Cheers. Let's talk. You face me.
Okay.
How are you?
On and face.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
What are you doing if mom is not here?
I don't know.
You're playing with tatay and nanay? Like what? What are you playing with?
I'm playing with them.
And then what are you guys doing?
You guys doing pain upstairs at the Mommy Mouse room.
Mommy Mouse room?
Yeah.
And then, what did you eat?
We eat hot. We eat
What did you eat in Mommy Mouse house?
Mommy's house bread.
Bread?
Yeah.
With what?
Eat pandesal.
Pandesal?
Mhm.
Wow! Do you like pandesal? With what? Cheese or egg or hot dog? What? What's the feeling of pandesal inside? Di ba you will put egg or hot dog or cheese or liver spread inside the pandesal. Which one do you like most? Pandesal with?
Pandesal with cheese.
With cheese?
Yeah.
Talaga?
Uh-huh.
And then you're drinking milk too? Okay. Then who's lying down beside you when you want to sleep?
Nanay.
Nanay Nene?
Yeah. Ay, nanay.
Nanay?
Yeah.
Tessie?
No, nanay.
Nanay Nene?
No, nanay.
Nanay Nene nga.
No, nanay.
Nanay's daddy's nanay.
Nope.
Who?
Nanay's to the doctor.
Huh?
Ay, nanay is on the other's Mary's house.
Si Nanay Nene. That's Nanay Nene. Her name is Nanay Nene. We have
Yeah.
Nanay Tessie and Nanay Nene.
Yeah.
Okay?
It's nanay. Nanay.
Nene.
Your picture.
Already, 1, 2, smile. One more. Ay! Oh, one more, daddy.